Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I'll be grown now, baby. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all don't know what's going on, but I'm about to tell you guys, we about to make some nachos, chili cheese nachos. And we're finna go on, you guys. But y'all know the vibes. If you new, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.
Hit the bell and comment on our channel. And that's on period.
And that's on period, you guys. And then if you new, y'all know the vibe. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all on the y'all know what's going on. But yeah, you guys, we about to make us some chili cheese nachos on this Monday evening. That's what's going on. We're at night almost, but yeah, that's about to go on. We about to make us some chili cheese nachos. And yeah, you guys, let's jump right into it. Cause it's basically already cooked, but yeah, let's go right into it.
This the
Drink better than that.
Just get the knife, boo. Get the little knife.
Thank you know everything.
Let the boys do it heavy.
Can't wait to eat that cheese.
Nah, let her do it. She missed to know how to do everything.
Put a little milk in this shit.
I don't know how to do it no more.
Heat up a little bit. Now see what's going on. Dropping the chili, you guys. So we dropping the second can of chili, you guys.
I'll tell you guys.
Well, y'all see what's going on. So we got the cheese and we got the chili already going.
Apostle John Reagan said stop saying guys.
So yeah, y'all see the vibes.
Hey yo.
He said guys now.
So we getting it together, you guys.
Mama, why don't you put me in this camera?
It's gonna be a little quick little meal for us. Y'all see what's going on. Some real quick and quick for us. Quick. Quick, beat. Shit is dirty, guys. Alright, guys.
It's done. Mama, why you got it on low?
Because it needs to be on low. We don't want to burn the cheese up.
Mama, the cheese done.
That's why it's already done. Mama just letting it heat up, sweetie.
Okay, sweet, I'll get the plate.
Yeah, boo, you ready to get the plates, get everything set down.
Mama, we was in the kitchen whipping.
We whipping it up.
Ain't it 6 of us? Not them going outside. Dang. All them went outside.
It's alright.
I'm so like, what is so quiet?
Yeah, guys, our little meal almost done. Some quick and ready. Y'all see what's going on. Some quick, like a big.
For myself.
Yeah, guys, I hope everybody been having a very blessed day today. Today's actually Monday. It is like late night, cooking us a little late night meal. Hope everyone had a blessed day today.
I'm making plates now.
But yeah, guys, we about to get ready to start making a plate.
Hey guys, hey y'all, so today y'all know that lady on Facebook. Hey y'all, so today y'all. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm asking you 1, 2, 3 though. Hey y'all. Y'all got me. So they ain't gonna allow when I hit you. So they ain't gonna allow when I hit you. Smack me at the back of my head. What do?
So y'all see what's going on our little Monday vibe. We just in here chilling like a villain, chilling like a villain.
On myself.
Hey, chilling like a villain on this Monday. Hey.
On myself.
As y'all can see, we already got everybody a place. I already set out. We got our cups. We can drink us a good cold Pepsi. So yeah, we got everything already standing out for us.
And that's how weird.
And we about to get ready and munch up. And I'll show y'all my plate. Y'all know. Once it's done. Yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, we just about to make a plate and everything. Everything pretty much is about done now. So we just about to make our plates and everything. Heaven already making the drink. And she just set the chips out and everything on the plate. So now we just about to put our chili and our cheese. And yeah, you guys. Guess what's going on? Guess what's going on? Y'all stay loud so hard at that, but you know. That's normal.
You making y'all get live.
We about to eat these good old nachos. I hope everybody been having a very blessed day today. Y'all count down below and let us know what y'all cook on this Monday. But we cook some quick and ready and go and get it out the way. You know, to make a quick little meal. But yeah, guys. But we'll catch y'all back once our plates are fixed. And show y'all what it's looking like. But yeah, catch y'all guys in the next clip.
That's my homeboy. That's my homeboy.
So this side look came out, you guys.
That's my mom. This my mama's. That's mine. And this
yeah, guys, this side came out. The rest of the kids, the children already eating their food. So yeah, this side came out. So yeah, y'all only know I'm about to smash it.
It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby.